Now, earlier I showed you how to calculate standard deviation by hand, but the good news is that most graphing calculators can do this much more easily for you with a list of data. And the first step of that is to create a list of data. Well, how do we do that? First, you press Stat, that button right there, and stay on that edit screen and scroll to one edit and press enter or just enter one. Scroll to your list, and it's usually list one, and you put in your numbers pressing enter for each data point. Now, if you look at it, the bottom here shows the list name and what data point you're entering. So I have already entered 6 data points, and it's currently showing me as entering 7, or I'm on point number 7 if I put in that point right now. Okay, so once you enter your list of data, what you're going to do is calculate your summary statistics. So you see the data here, and you're going to press Stat again and scroll to Calc, the second one right there, and then scroll to one var stats and press enter or just press 1, and it will automatically give you the data right here. Now you can also select a list after you do one var stats, press second and list, and then you can kind of scroll and press enter or the item number, the list number, and then you press enter if you need to. All right, and you can see your summary statistics here. So how do we read the summary statistics? The mean can be found at the top and is denoted as X bar. The sample standard deviation is denoted as S sub X, which is this one right here. So that's for sample, and then most of the time we're going to be dealing with sample standard deviation, not population standard deviation, which is sigma of X. If you scroll down further, you can find additional statistics such as the median. So this would be, if you arrow down from this screen, there are more statistics down here. You can also see the sum of x up on top and the sum of x squared. And those are actually used to calculate the standard deviation in a shortcut formula, which I haven't shown you. Now, the variance is not on the list of this data of summary statistics, but basically it's just the square of S of x. So square the standard deviation there, and you can get the variance.